Hey everybody, Danny here from Cooking in the Yard, and today we are cooking on the all-new Blaze Grill's 40-inch LTE Pro grill. Check it out. The textured illuminated knobs not only look great while you're cooking, but they also offer a level of safety so your hand is never slipping while you're operating the grill. One of my favorite features of the Blaze Grill's 40-inch Pro LTE grill are these grill grates. They're going to provide some great searing action every single time. One of the great features of this grill is the warming rack, but that's not all it does. Check this out. We've got chicken leg hangers, we've got bun warmers, we've got open space to warm tortillas or whatever you're gonna put on there. This grill does it all. One of my favorite features of the Blaze Grill LTE Pro 40-inch is the handle that rotates for comfort and convenience when you're opening and closing the lid. One of the best things about the Blaze Grill's 40-inch LTE Pro grill is how much space it has. I can fit more food on here than I have right now, and the beauty of this is I can stack up high. Chickens, turkeys, the amount of space in here is amazing. Check it out yourself. Be sure to check out the all-new Blaze Grill's 40-inch LTE Pro grill today.